Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a lecturer journal using the Journal app. Just open the app and then click on Create. Here choose Sample Journals and then you can scroll down a little bit and you will find this lecturer journal. Click on Use this journal, wait a few seconds, and from now on you can easily edit these pages. You can write anything, you can customize the pages, and you can even add more pages. I hope it will be useful for you. Have a nice day.